Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for enhancing your outdoor spaces, the JSOT 600 waterproof solar spotlights. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what the JSOT 600 solar spotlights are all about. This set includes 4 solar-powered spotlights designed specifically for outdoor use, making them an excellent choice for gardens, pathways, and driveways. With 18 high-brightness SMD LED beads in each spotlight, these lights offer impressive illumination, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor spaces even after the sun goes down. One of the standout features of these solar spotlights is their dual brightness lighting modes. You can easily switch between a bright lighting mode, which delivers an impressive 600 lumens, and a dim lighting mode that emits 200 lumens. This flexibility is particularly useful, as you can adjust the brightness based on your specific needs or the ambience you want to create in your outdoor setting. Another remarkable aspect of the JSOT spotlights is their auto on-off functionality. Equipped with a 5.5V 2.5W solar panel, these lights are designed to automatically turn on in dark environments and switch off during daylight. After a full charge of about 6 to 8 hours, you can expect these lights to illuminate your yard for over 8 hours, making them both efficient and convenient. When it comes to installation, you'll be pleased to know that the JSOT spotlights are incredibly easy to set up. Simply insert them into the ground using the included stakes, and you're good to go. This means you can quickly enhance your yard's appearance without the need for complicated wiring or tools. They're suitable for various outdoor settings, whether you want to light up a pathway, accent a garden feature, or illuminate your driveway. Durability is another key feature of these solar spotlights. Built with anti-ultraviolet ABS and PC materials, along with an IP65 waterproof rating, they can withstand all types of extreme weather conditions. Rain, snow, frost, or burning sun. No problem. These lights are designed to provide long-lasting performance, ensuring that your outdoor areas stay lit throughout the year. So, who exactly are these solar spotlights suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys spending time outdoors, whether for entertaining guests or simply relaxing in your garden, these lights can be a game changer. They're also ideal for homeowners looking to enhance their property's security by illuminating dark areas around their home. Additionally, if you have pets that roam outside at night, these lights can help keep them safe and visible. Now, let's explore some practical use cases for the JSOT solar spotlights. Imagine hosting a summer barbecue in your backyard and using these lights to create a warm, inviting atmosphere for your guests. Or picture yourself taking a late-night stroll along your pathway, with the lights guiding you safely home. You can also use them to highlight features like a beautiful tree, a statue, or a signpost in your yard, ensuring they're visible and appreciated even at night. In conclusion, the JSOT 600 waterproof solar spotlights offer a fantastic combination of brightness, durability, and ease of use, making them a valuable addition to any outdoor space. Whether you're looking to beautify your garden or increase safety around your home, these lights have you covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.